Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another tutorial. So today I have my Christmas jumper on because it's the last Monday before Christmas. Can you believe it? I can't. I cannot believe that Christmas is Wednesday. Honestly, I'm so excited. I'm that excitement. I can't contain my excitement. Can you tell? I don't know if you can tell, but this year is my first Christmas in my new home and I'm gonna say it again. I'm really super excited. Can't believe it, and yeah, I just wanted to sit down today and just do a very festive Christmassy look in my Christmas jumper, and I thought I would put together a really glamorous look but nothing too in your face, just because I thought this would be really pretty and really glamorous to wear on Christmas Day. I know. Some of us will be waking up with hangovers, some of us won't, some of us will be staying in, some of us will be going out for Christmas dinner, and some of us will literally just be in a pub all day, and honestly I don't blame you because it's Christmas Day. But if you are going out or you're going to a Christmas family party or whatever you're doing on Christmas Day and you want to do yourself a little bit up and make yourself look a little bit glamorous, then I think this is the look for you. By all means, you can change the red lip for a nude lip. I think if I wear this on Christmas Day, I'll probably change it to a nude lip. I'm not entirely sure. It depends how hungover I am. If I'm that hungover, I probably will be putting brows and mascara on. Me and Jake are going out for Christmas Day lunch, and yeah, I just hope I'm not feeling rough, because when I get a hangover, I literally don't want to eat any food, so I need to be careful. But yeah, if you're one of them that want to glam up your face on Christmas Day, which I don't blame you by the way, then this look is for you. And if you want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram page. And yeah, let's get into this festivity makeup look. Okay, so I'm going to be dipping into the Profusion Cosmetics, and this is their Mixed Metals Nude. I absolutely love this palette. So the first one I'm going to be going in with is the shade Hope. This is just like a very cool toned brown, and this is just going to be our transition shade. This palette is like really good. It's travel friendly, and I absolutely love the shades that are in it. You got 4 shimmers, and you also get 4 matte shades, and yeah, I just think it's absolutely perfect for the ideal cool tone Christmas look. And then to deepen up a little bit more, I'm going to be going in with the shade Zing. Again, this is going in the outer corner and also in the crease, just to add a little bit more of depth into the crease. Then I'm going to go back in with the shade Hope just to blend that shade out. Then to brighten up my eyelid and the brow bone, I'm going to be going in with the shade Silky, and as I said, this is just to brighten it up and just add a little bit of a pop of colour on the lid and in the brow as well. Then for my wing today, I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo liner in the shade Black. I always use this liner because it is my go-to one. It's really simple and easy to work with, and yeah, it's really black as well, so I absolutely love it. Then I went off camera to apply some lashes from Eylure, and these are in the shade Bauble, and I absolutely love these ones as well. And then to prime my face, I'm going to go in with the Magix primer from Marc Makeup. I've been using this a lot recently, as you can probably tell because I've used it in nearly every makeup tutorial recently. I just absolutely love the way it makes my skin feel and how it makes my skin look underneath my foundation, and every single foundation that I've tried it with recently works well with this primer, so I absolutely love it. Then for my foundation, I'm going to go in with the Born This Way Too Faced foundation in the shade Porcelain. This is going to be my go-to foundation over the Christmas period and New Year's Eve period, just because I know it will last all throughout the night and whenever I wear it, and I just know it makes my skin look really nice and flawless. It blends out really nicely. I know it's the perfect match for my skin tone, and yeah, I just think it's an absolutely perfect foundation. So I'm going to blend it out with a brush, which I always do now, and then also blending the rest of it out with a damp beauty blender. Then for my favourite concealer at the moment, it is also the MAC Makeup Cream Concealer, and I use two different ones and they're in the shade Fair and Medium. So I'm just going to be applying this everywhere where I use conceal and highlight. And I'm first going to be blending out like my chin area, my cupid's bow, my nose and my forehead, and then setting that in place because I like to leave the concealer underneath my eyes just to set a little bit. You may want to try this out just because it does make your concealer a lot more full coverage when it just sets underneath your eyes just a tiny little bit, and it blends out really beautiful, as you'll see in a moment. But to set and bake everything in place, I'm just going to be using the translucent powder from Too Faced Born This Way again, because that is also my new favourite translucent powder because it's absolutely brilliant. Then, as you can see, I'm just taking the remaining of the powder that's left in the lid of the Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder and just setting the rest of my face, and then also removing the baking that I've applied as well. Then to bronze up my face, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte bronzer, and I'm also going to use this to contour as well. Nowadays I don't really contour and bronze with two different shades. I do it both with the same shade just because I like the way it looks. So I'm just going to be blending that out with a Sigma, and a Sigma brush, and I'm in the shade Hotel Heiress. And yeah, I haven't used this for a very long time and I forgot how beautiful it actually was. Then for blush today, I'm going to be going in with this Sigma blush. I think this is in the shade Spotlight. I absolutely love this because it's got like a slight sheen into it. I don't usually like blushes like it, but I do like a little bit sheen on this one, and it makes you have like a really nice subtle glow as well. And then I'm just going to be setting my brows in place using the Benefit Cosmetics 3D Brow Setter. I absolutely love this one as well. Then going into a highlighter which I haven't used for a very long time as well. It is the Tarte highlighter, and I'm in the shade Exposed Highlight. It wasn't as pigmented as I actually remembered it to be, but to be honest, it was like, still gave like a really nice subtle glow, and yeah, I just think it looked really beautiful on the skin.
Filthy animal, and a Happy New Year.
Then for the lower lash line, I'm going to be going in with the shade Hope and the shade Zing. I just always do this with eyeshadows, especially if I've got eyeshadow on my eyes as well, just because it opens your eye area up and it makes your eyes look a lot more wider and awake, and yeah, it just adds a little bit of definition. Then I'm just adding some mascara to the tops and bottoms of my lashes. Then I'm just going to carve out my cheekbone area just to make it look a little bit more sharper. And then I'm going to be using a lip liner from Avon, which is in the shade Red Brick, and just going to be lining my lips. Then for lipstick today, I'm going to be using this LOV The Faithful Lacquered Lip Stain, and this is in the shade number 730 Dewy Infinity. I got these out of Glossy box this month and I absolutely love it, and I love how pigmented the red shade is. And then I'm just going to be wiping away that baking powder that I applied. So guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching this makeup look. I definitely enjoyed creating it for you. As I said, you can swap the red lip for a nude lip if you want to, and you can also swap the false lashes for some mascara if you're not really into wearing false lashes, or you just because you're too hungover to apply lashes. I probably will be, I have no idea. But yeah, I can't believe this is going to be my last video before Christmas Day. I don't know where this year has gone, and yeah, I just hope you all have a fantastic Christmas sharing it with your loved ones or whoever you're going to be sharing it with. And yeah, from my house to your house, Merry Christmas and have a fantastic day. But until next time, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.